Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and for anyone who is new here, welcome. So I know that I've been gone for a while, but I'm back and I'm better. I know I said that in my last video, but listen, I'm really back this time, you guys. So in today's video, I'll be doing this quick little updo ponytail that's really serving like Barbie things. That's Barbie things. So if you would like to see this tutorial, then stay tuned. Okay, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and y'all please excuse me because I am definitely with the shenanigans throughout this video. But I feel like you're just supposed to enjoy what you're doing, and I enjoy making videos for y'all. So I'm starting off with this edge control that I just picked up when I went down to Miami. And y'all listen, the edge control is bomb. Y'all will see later in the video what I'm talking about. It lays the hairs down. And I do have type 4 hair, so to be able to lay these edges down, yeah, it's good. And for them to stay, yes, the holding power is amazing. And I only use the edge control on my edges because I find that it does leave like a white cast when I decide to use it on my entire hair. So I usually just use the edge control on my edges, and I use it in conjunction with some alcohol-free gel. So y'all, I was an avid Eco Styler gel user until it started to break off my edges. And I really feel like it started to break off my edges because of the alcohol in it. So this gel is called the Wet Line Extreme Professional Styling Gel. And it holds just as good, except it just doesn't have any alcohol in it. So I definitely recommend this for any of you all who are trying to lay your hair down. And you're natural and you have type 4 hair. So yeah, y'all, I'm just brushing my hair into the direction of the ponytail, and then I'm just going to take my hair and put it in a ponytail and make it into a very small bun. Can we please take a moment to appreciate how laid these edges are? I warned y'all that this edge control was the truth. Y'all know, if you've been following my channel for a while, that I do not do any of my slick styles without laying this hair down. So yeah, I'm just taking my silk scarf and I'm just going to apply that to my hair and let it sit on my hair while I do my ponytail. So I'm definitely taking it back with the drawstring ponytail, and the ponytail that I'm going to be using is by the brand Main Concept, and it is their Mega Brazilian Remi 24-inch ponytail, and I got it in the color 2. I picked this up from my local beauty supply store, and inside of the ponytail there are 2 clips to clip into the top and the bottom, and then there is actually a drawstring. To install this ponytail, you just want to go ahead and clip the hair into your natural hair and then pull the drawstring on the ponytail. Now, do not pull the drawstring too tight because you will have a headache. The moment when you know the hairstyle is about to be lit, you know it's about to be bomb. Oh yeah. So you could actually leave the ponytail like this, but y'all know I'm extra. So I'm taking some of this gold yarn for braids that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to wrap it around the base of my ponytail just to give it a more goddess slash Egyptian slash, I just wanted to put some yarn on my ponytail look. And so I'm just going to keep wrapping the thread around the base of my ponytail until I get it to look the way that I'm envisioning, and then that's it. That's literally the end of the hairstyle, you guys. So I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. Majority of the hairstyles that I do on my channel is usually the first time that I'm trying them, and it's usually the first time on camera. So if you guys like this hairstyle and you thought it turned out to be really cute, definitely let the kid know that in the comment section. And if it's a style that you guys are going to try, then definitely tag me in it, because I definitely want to see it, sis. So here is the finished product. Y'all, I was really feeling myself. I really feel like a black Barbie. I really feel like one. So thank you all so much for watching. For those of you who have been following the kid and support the kid, even when I take my little hiatus, thank you so much for the support. You guys, I really do love you guys, and I will see you all in my next tutorial. Bye.